about triple warmer a little bit more and help you understand why sometimes when we are making positive changes in our life, it may not appear like anything is happening. Many of you have heard me talk about triple warmer before, and you've got a lot of different tools at your resources. So things that you've learned about the triple warmer smoothie, tracing triple warmer backwards, feeding spleen meridian so that we boost that meridian up that ultimately supports the triple warmer. But sometimes what can happen is we have habits that get deeply embedded into our system. It could be an emotional habit, it could be a physical habit, it could result in some sort of symptom or disease for some people. So when this happens, we have this energy system called triple warmer that is really working over time as a means of protection. It's trying to protect you on all levels at all times. So let's imagine you're driving your car and you get caught in the mud or you get caught in the snow. And now you're trying to move that car back and forth to get it out. And you keep trying positive things to get the car out of this stuck groove. Only what happens is the more you attempt positive things, the more you just go deeper and deeper into that groove. Well, the same thing can happen with your energy system. So triple warmer is trying so hard to keep you safe that when change comes, it may not be ready for the change. It might feel like, whoa, 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 what are you doing? Why are you making this change? I've been protecting this body for so long. So in that case, we can do another exercise. It's a personal favorite of mine called the triple warmer reactivity. And I've had students that are really in high triple warmer reactivity times use this exercise as a way to help calm their system down. This might be an exercise that you want to do repeatedly throughout the day. So the way it works is we're going to take our hands, we're going to take our thumb, and we're going to put it on the nail bed of our index finger. Now, I want to point out what we're doing because I personally am somebody that likes to understand what I'm connecting with and what I'm doing so that I get the why in what we're doing. So if I know the purpose, I'm more inclined to use it and I get it. So this is the index finger. It's the end point of the large intestine meridian. Our thumb is the end point of our lung meridian. So to me, when I'm bringing these 2 points together, I'm making a loop between large intestine and lung, and I'm also helping those 2 meridians that are partly involved in letting go of things that aren't serving us. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb. So I've got my loop here, and I'm just going to bring my thumb right here by the edge of my eyebrow, right by my temple, which is also where the triple warmer meridian ends. So we're feeding the triple warmer, giving it a nice juice of energy. And then I'm folding the rest of my fingers down on my forehead. So we're also helping. We've got liver points up there, and we're bringing blood flow back to the forebrain, back to the forebrain. So let's just take a few deep breaths. Notice if it calms you, notice if it helps you. It just helped me. And so what you're gonna find is the more that you use that, so let's say nothing's changing or nothing's shifting and you're starting to get frustrated or you're having negative thoughts and you're wondering like, what am I doing? I'm trying so hard and nothing's shifting. You can just rest your elbows on the table, or you can hold your hand up and just simply hold this pose and give it. If you can give it 3 to 5 minutes, then it's gonna benefit you in so many different ways. I find that when I'm working with clients in my office and energy's flowing and it's moving, if all of a sudden something stops, I have to ask myself, well, did triple warmer come up? Did triple warmer get engaged? And is triple warmer, like, are we going too fast? Are we fighting the process? And so I'll just stop and I'll test it. You don't have to test it to be successful with it. All you have to do is get your hands on your head, just like that. This is Kelly Goetz saying thank you for joining me. I hope this exercise helps you, and thank you, Donna Eden, for all your wisdom that you have taught all of us in the Eden Method program. Bye-bye.